What up, good people? Huge shout out to Checker Flag BMW for allowing me to review the 2026 BMW X2. BMW just turned this small SUV into one of the biggest looking luxury crossover on the road. Meet the 2026 BMW X2. Finished in skyscraper gray, measured 179 inches long, standing 62 inches tall, riding on a 106-inch wheelbase, and offering 8.1-inch ground clearance. Let's see what makes this compact luxury SUV stands out. Under the hood is the 2-liter twin-power turbocharged inline-4, producing 241 horses for the torque, 295 at 1500 RPM. This vehicle can sprint from 0 to 60 in 5.7 seconds with a top speed 131 miles per hour. But efficiency has not been forgotten: 34 on the highway and 24 in the city. Here's the sound of it. Now this is how you make an entrance. The 2026 BMW X2 rocks a bold front fascia, an aggressive kidney grille, and a sporty design that guarantees to turn heads everywhere you go. It's sleek, it's confident, and with a starting MSRP of $51,000, let's find out if it's worth the money. Now we're making our way inside of the vehicle. We're greeted with black bucket seats with Alcantara in the middle. Right here we're looking at the digital gauge. On the left you have your MPH with your gas gauge. On the right you have your battery percentage and charge with your engine temp. Using the button on the right side of the steering wheel, you can go through your content, audio, layout, heads up display, and much more. On the left side of the steering wheel, you have your cruise control setting with your mode. On the right side of the steering wheel, you have your Bluetooth and volume button with voice command, alongside your plus and minus pedal shifters. On the door panel, you have your standard unlock and lock with your memory seat settings. Looking down on the door panel, you have your one-touch window control with mirror control. Right here, we're looking at a 10.7-inch touchscreen display with Android Auto and Apple CarPlay. In the cubby area, you have your wireless charging pad alongside your cup holder area. You have your 2 Type-C with your 12-volt outlet. You have your engine start stop button alongside your electronic shifter with your volume bezel and hazard lights. Now we're making our way inside the center console. Wow, this is pretty small. You have your glove box for your extra storage space. We done made our way up to your interior lighting alongside your SOS safety connect and your moonroof control. Now we're making our way to the back of the vehicle. We're also greeted with black leather seats. You have your air vent with your 2 Type-C outlets. Looking down on the door panel, you have your one-touch window control. Now we're making our way to the cargo area, measuring at 25.3 cubic feet with all the seats folded down, measuring at 51.7 cubic feet. Once again, huge shout out to Checker Flag BMW for allowing me to review the 2026 BMW X2. If you need any information about them, I'll leave a link in the description below. Like always, good people, browse the channel, like, subscribe. I look forward to seeing you next video.